Welcome to my channel Learn with Hanam. So let's start. Where was India's first lighthouse festival held? Your time starts now. Goa is the correct answer. Who won the inaugural Indian Grand Prix in 2023? Your time starts now. Marco Bezzucci is the correct answer. Who was appointed as the new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of ICICI Lombard General Insurance in 2023. Your time starts now. Sanjeev Mantri is the correct answer. When is World Pharmacists Day celebrated? Your time starts now. September 25th is the correct answer. What is India's growth forecast for the current fiscal year FY24 according to S&P Global Ratings? Your time starts now. %6 is the correct answer. What is the term used to describe a potential global threat that health experts warn could be deadlier than COVID 19 and claim over 50 million lives? Your time starts now. Disease X is the correct answer. Who has been honored with the prestigious Dada Sahab Phalke Lifetime Achievement Award for the year 2023? Your time starts now. Wahida Rahman is the correct answer. Which AI startup has Amazon announced a strategic investment of up to $4 billion in? Your time starts now. Anthropic is the correct answer. Who manufactured the first C-295 medium tactical transport aircraft that was introduced into the IAF's inventory? Your time starts now. Airbus is the correct answer. Who inaugurated the Bharat Drone Shakti 2023 exhibition at Hindan Air Base, Ghaziabad? Your time starts now. Rajnath Singh is the correct answer. How much non-basmati white rice has the Government of India permitted to be exported to the United Arab Emirates? Your time starts now. $75,000 tons is the correct answer. Who has been named as Uniqlo India's brand ambassador? Your time starts now. Katrina Kaif is the correct answer. Which currency has emerged as the best performing currency of the September quarter in 2023? Your time starts now. Afghani currency is the correct answer. Where was the 13th Indo-Pacific Army's Chiefs Conference held? Your time starts now. New Delhi is the correct answer. Which financial institution has partnered with IndusInd Bank to issue a co-branded credit card? Your time starts now. Poonawalla FinCorp is the correct answer. Who directed the Malayalam movie 2018 Everyone is a Hero, which will represent India at the Academy Awards in 2024? Your time starts now. Jude Anthony Joseph is the correct answer. Who won gold in the women's 50-meter rifle three position event at the 2023 Asian Games? Your time starts now. Sifth Core Samra is the correct answer. When is the International Day for Universal Access to Information celebrated? Your time starts now. Twenty-eighth September is the correct answer. Who has been reappointed as Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India for a period of 1 year? Your time starts now. M. Rajeshwar Rao is the correct answer. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2023? Your time starts now. Fortieth rank is the correct answer. It's all done. Now let me know about your marks in the comment section with your name. Okay? And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.